Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today we will discuss most important MCQs for all competitive and board exam from the chapter hydrocarbons. So let's start. First question, which one of the following is a substitution reaction? Option A. Halogenation of alkyne. Option B. Halogenation of alkane. Option C. Halogenation of alkene. And option D. Oxidation of alkene. So we know that substitution reaction is the characteristics of alkane. In the alkanes, substitution reactions are occur. So in halogenation of alkanes, a hydrogen atom is replaced by any halogen atoms. So when we give the example, when a hydrocarbon, that is the alkane family, methane, react with chlorine molecule, it react as one chlorine atom is replaced by one hydrogen atom. One hydrogen atom is removed from the methane and one chlorine atom is added in place of hydrogen atom. So it forms this product, and the replaced hydrogen atom will react with atomic chlorine and they form hydrochloric acid. So the option B is correct. That is, the substitution reaction is the characteristics of alkane. So halogenation of alkane occur in the substitution reaction. Next question, question number 2. When ethene react with hydrogen bromide, hydrobromic acid, the compound form is. So when ethene is an unsaturated hydrocarbon having a double bond, when react with hydrobromic acid, they form the ethyl bromide. That is, the option A is correct. Next question, question number 3. Halogenations of methane in the presence of diffuse sunlight occur. Option A, quickly, only in one step. Option B, slowly, only in one step. Option C, in a series of 4 steps. And option D is quickly in 2 steps. We know that the halogenation of methane is a series of reaction. This reaction involves the substitution and occur in a 4 steps. And each steps one hydrogen atom is replaced by a halogen atoms. That is, in each steps one hydrogen atom replaced by halogen atom in UV light or diffuse sunlight. So in each steps one hydrogen atom is removed and one chlorine atom is added. So in the halogenation of methane in the presence of diffuse sunlight, it occurs in a series of 4 steps reactions. So the option C is correct. Next question, question number 4. Dehalogenation of alkyl halides is As the name indicate, D means remove of anything, and hydro means hydrogen, and halogen means halogens. So in the dehydrohalogenations of alkyl halides, options, first we see the option, the removal of hydrogen, the removal of halogens, the removal of hydrogen and halogens, and the addition of hydrogen and halogens. So as the name indicates, these means remove, hydro mean hydrogen, and halogen means halogens. So the removal of hydrogen and halogens. So the option C is correct. The removal of hydrogen and halogen is called dehydrohalogenations. Next question, question number 5. Which of the following dechlorize the bromine water? Option A, ethane. Option B, ethene. Option C, propane. And option D is the methane. In the fourth option, we can see that there are three are ethane, that is alkane, that is ethane, propane, and methane. These three are alkane, and the option B, that is ethene, this is alkene. So bromine water or bromination is a common test for the identification of unsaturated hydrocarbons. As we know that unsaturated characters are present in alkene. So when bromine is added to ethene, it decolorizes the bromine brown color to colorless. So the color of bromine, which is a brown, and it change into colorless when a bromine is added in the ethene. So here the option B is correct, that is ethene decolorize the bromine. Next option, very simple and easy. The general formula of alkane is option A, option B, option C, and option D. Here most of the student confusing by a small and negligible mistakes. That is, here you can see that multiply sign, here is the addition sign, here is the minus or subtraction sign. But the formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. So the option C is correct, plus sign. Question number 7. Dehydration of ethyl alcohol with concentrated sulfuric acid result in the formation of ethane, option B methane, option C ethine, option D ethene. So when ethyl alcohol is reacted in the concentrated sulfuric acid at 170 degrees centigrade, it will change into ethene along with the removal of water. So this is the dehydration of alcohol by the removal of water molecule and form ethene or alkene. So here the option D is correct. Dehydration of ethyl alcohol with the concentrated sulfuric acid result in the formation of ethene. Next question. Question number 8. The substitution reaction is the characteristics of, as we already discussed in the first MCQs, the substitution reaction are the characteristics of alkane. So the option C is correct. The substitution reaction is the characteristics of alkane. Option C is correct. Next question, question number 9. Which one is the least reactive? Option A, ethene, option B, propene, option C, ethene, and option D are ethane. In the four option, we can see that three are unsaturated hydrocarbons and one is saturated hydrocarbons. And as we know that ethane being a saturated hydrocarbons with strong sigma bond as compared to the pi bond which is present in the unsaturated hydrocarbons. So due to this strong sigma bond, ethene is the least reactive. Stronger the bond, least the reactive molecule or compound. So the ethane is the least reactive due to the presence of strong sigma bond as compared to these three. In these three, weaker pi bond is present. Last question, question number 10. The order of reactivity of hydrogen halides with alkene is. The order of reactivity of hydrogen halides with alkene is, there are four orders. Here you can see A option, B option, C option and D option. And we know that the order of reactivity is hydrogen iodide, then hydrogen bromide, and then hydrogen chloride or HCl. This is the order of reactivity. Most reactive or highest reactive is the hydrogen iodide, then hydrogen bromide, and then hydrogen chloride. So this reactivity depends on the bond strength. The weaker the bond, the faster the reaction. Weaker the bond, the faster the reaction. So here the bond strength of hydrogen chloride is stronger than hydrogen bromide, and hydrogen bromide is stronger than hydrogen iodide. So the weak bond is present in hydrogen iodide. So due to the weak bond, hydrogen iodide is more reactive than hydrogen bromide, and hydrogen bromide is more reactive than hydrogen chloride. So here the option D is correct. That's for all today. Student, if you have any queries, please ask me in the comment box. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends and fellows so we can grow each other. Thanks for watching.